Good morning. Good morning. It is a Tuesday morning. It's been a minute since I've done a TikTok Tuesday with you all, and specifically a Planner and Panera TikTok Tuesday. Every morning I go get my Panera coffee. I'm in the Panera Sip Club. I've been meaning to hit them up so they can we can do a collabo because I do get their coffee every morning. It's a economical, thing that they have to get coffee every day. Then they also have other drinks you can get as well, cold drinks. In the summertime, that comes in real handy. Last summer was the first summer I was fully into the Sip Club, and man, that comes in real handy, especially when it's hot outside. So just going to encourage you guys to become a part of the Panera Sip Club. Again, I'm about to hit them up so we can make some sort of sponsorship deal. See what I can do, because I do be, shouting them out quite a bit. But my Panera coffee, I just do it because it's economical. I don't make coffee at home. I'm not going to make coffee at home. And so it's a morning ritual for me to go to Panera, pick up the coffee, and take it to work with me. Go from there. So, anywho, this season, as we know, is a busy, busy season. And we know we are prepping for, this is a to-do list Tuesday that we're going to talk about today. And one big thing that should be on all of our to-do lists for this month is tax prep. Tax season prep. I didn't say do your taxes. I said prep for the taxes. Because one thing that I notice that I have done in the past is when it's time to do the taxes, I don't prepare necessarily. I shove all the forms that I get in the mail like in a folder, and then when it's time to do the taxes, usually at the last minute, I'm like, oh shoot, I got to get all my forms together, to do my taxes. And so this year I'm trying to be very proactive and plan ahead. If I'm going to be a planner and help other people figure out how to do planning and be on the struggle bus with me as far as planning is concerned, I got to plan ahead. So planning ahead for taxes, that's a big, big thing for me this year, especially too with business. This will be the first year I'll be filing business taxes. Now, did I make a whole lot in my business? No, but this will be my first year filing the actual paperwork. So those of you who have filed business taxes before, please leave a comment. Let us know how that's gone for you. I know a couple of my girlfriends have their own businesses and they've done it before. But so just a couple of things I just wanted to run through as far as preparing for taxes, because we got to do personal. And some of you, if you have a business, you got to do business. So the things to have ready, because again, you don't want to be running around like a chicken with your head cut off trying to get your tax materials together. And this will be on TikTok video, because I was feeling particularly cute today. So I was like, let me do a TikTok video. And then it'll also be downloaded to my podcast at Black Girl Happy Planner podcast on Anchor. So make sure if you don't have time to watch the TikTok, then definitely go ahead and listen to the podcast in your car. So as far as tax prep is concerned, just a couple quick tips. Make sure you have your personal information in order, your social security number, your driver's license, all that information, so that if a form asks for it, especially if you're going to do your taxes online yourself, which I've been doing the last few years on like H&R Block, or if you take it to a professional to do, make sure you have all your information with you. Don't be digging through your bag, trying to find your social security card, trying to, do all this stuff. Have it with you and ready. Okay. Your income forms. Yeah, it's tax season. I would hope have those with you. So from your job, they should have sent you your W-2s and any other form that they need to send you. Healthcare forms, if those are something that your job sends you, make sure you have all of that with you. If you're doing it online yourself, have that stuff next to you before you log on, make sure you take it with you if you're going to a professional. If you own a home, make sure you have your mortgage information, your home information. If you own rental properties, make sure you have all of that information, because you got to pay taxes on those. You got to pay taxes on your home. So just make sure you have all of that stuff with you. Business forms, make sure you have all of that. Like I got an alert this morning from LegalZoom saying something about a form. And I was panicking because I was like, what y'all talking about? But they was just reminding me to do my taxes, to get my tax forms in order from my business side of things, to have everything ready. So got you. LegalZoom, don't be scaring me like that. And then other deductions. Say if you have children, you got child care, you do caregiving, all these different things that you can, deduct for. Make sure you have those in order. Find the deductions list and see if there's things that you qualify for to be deducted. If you do charity, giving, things like that, definitely if you're a person that feels like you need to put that on there, then go ahead and do that. Okay. And I think I mentioned healthcare already. Just make sure you have all those things in line. So yeah, I just wanted to shout everybody out real quick this morning, on a TikTok Tuesday, to-do list Tuesday, Planner and Panera Tuesday, whatever we want to call it. And shout out to all my teachers. Teacher Planner Tuesday. Teachers got to have their stuff in order too. Spring break coming up, so that'll be a great time to actually do our taxes during spring break where we have some downtime. Okay, so just wanted to shout everybody out. The sun is getting brighter, like daylight savings is getting closer and closer, or whatever we call it in the spring. Spring forward, that's getting closer and closer because the it's getting brighter and brighter every morning. So just wanted to holler at you all, and happy tax season and have a great week, everyone. Peace.